Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to cut kimono dress. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you for your constant support. God bless you. Amen. If you want to cut kimono dress, you have to fold your fabric into two. This way your fabric has to be on fold and you have to measure your vertical measurement. This line will be our starting point. The length of the fabric I will be using is 35 inches. Altogether I will measure the bust area, which is 10 inches, so I will mark 10 inches round. I'm going to make a straight line. I will mark 17 inches for the waistline, and the hip is 24 inches. The hip is 24 inches. Now I'm going to make a straight line. I'll make a straight line on the bust line that I have marked. Then the waistline, and the hip line. Next step is to measure the shoulder line. So the shoulder line I'm working with is 8 inches. The neck width is 3 inches. And the neck depth is 3.5 inches. The neck depth is 3.5 inches. I'm going to connect neck width and the neck depth together. The remaining length is 12 inches. So I will be using the 12 inches for the sleeve. Now I will come down by 1 inch here. So I'm going to connect the 1 inch to the 3 inches of the neck depth. So I will connect it together. I'm going to come in by 2 inches on the bust line. Then I'm going to come down by 2 inches as well on the same bust line. I'm going to make the horizontal line of the bust. So the bust we are working with is 38 inches. 38 divided by 4, that is 9.5. This is 9.5. Then I'm going to add 2 inches to it for the seam and allowance. So that will be 11.5. 11.5. I'll be working with 34 inches for the waist. So 34 divided by 4, that is 8.5. So 8.5 plus 2 inches for the allowance. That will be 10.5 inches. Then I'm going to make a straight line. After connecting the bust line to the waistline, the next step is to take the circumference of the hip area. So the hip we are working with is 40 divided by 4 is 10. Then we are going to add 2 inches for the same allowance as well, and sewing. We'll be connecting it together as well. We are nearly done. After doing that, remember we marked 2 inches inward and 2 inches down under the bust line. So what we are going to do right now is to make sure that you connect the line to join this line here. Our kimono is ready. So the next thing for us now is to connect the line down. You are going to transfer the measurement of the hip area to the down part. You can as well add 1 more inches for it for ease. For more ease, you can make it to be 13 or 14. So I make it to be 13 inches. So I'm going to connect it now. I only had extra 1 inches to it for ease, for more space. We are done now. Then you come up here. You are going to mark 1/2 inch seam here. So this will be for the seam. Now we are going to cut our pattern out. You can see it is easy to make. You can make it within 10 minutes. So we are going to cut out the neckline. After that, you are going to cut your shoulder slope. Then you come down to the sleeve area. You cut the sleeve out. Then you come towards this side to be able to cut the sleeve area. Cut it straight down. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. It seems I'm blocking you. Let me take it from down so that you'll be able to see what I'm doing properly. Then you come here. We are done with the cutting. So here is our kimono dress. You can see how beautiful it is. So if you want to cut the back of it, all you have to do is to place it on your fabric, on the back fabric that you want to cut. Make sure your fabric is on fold. It is very, very simple to cut. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I really appreciate you for your support. Thank you so much. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.